a Upart wig, but I'm gonna make it a side.
I need $1 million. Baby, why, oh, why? You ain't no undercover, my girl.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Eunice. Yeah, this is a whole different other story. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I've never done this on my channel before. I should have really situated myself before I came here, but anyway. Hi, hello, welcome back. I want to do more of hair videos on my channel. I do more of it on my Instagram. So guys, honestly, I'm shouting myself out. Shameless plug. Go to my Instagram because that's where I do my quick tutorials. It's just easier to do it on there, but I'm gonna start doing more things on here because you guys asked me a lot of questions. So anyway, I'm gonna be using hair from Naturalgirlwigs. They are based in Nigeria. Their shipping is fast. Okay, today's video is gonna be a Upart wig, but I'm gonna make it a side. I'm too excited because I was nervous that I didn't have enough light to do my video today because I wanted to do the video today. I have been wearing this wig for 2 or 3 days and everybody at work is like, is that your hair? I'm like, yeah, it is, because it's on my head, so it's mine. But anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys how I install the wig. Basically, my cornrows, they're okay. I think they're decent. I've left a bit of my hair out. I'm gonna obviously blend into the wig. What I've noticed in the past 2 days of wearing it is that I didn't break, I had to add extension to this cornrow because it's the anchor for the combs on the wig to go through, and it's a little bit sore here because the comb goes straight through and it's just a little bit sore. But that's just me. I didn't, foresee that. But if you're gonna get this wig, I suggest that you do the same. This is the wig. Are you ready? It's so pretty. So I've sprayed it a little bit with my Cream of Nature leave-in spray, and this smells good, so it makes the hair even softer. So I just go ahead and spritz it. And then you just run your hands through. See how easy it is? It's so easy to just run your hand through. It has the combs, and then it has an attachment here. So I'm gonna go ahead and secure it into the hooks that you get. And get this, bring it as far front as you like it, and slide it into the cornrow. Be gentle, because like I said before, it is a little bit sore. And then you bring this up here. I'm obsessed. So I like to get my mousse from Cream of Nature. put it on the parting. So put it on, brush it through, put it on, brush it through. Fluff it out, fluff it out. It's already secure as it is, but I can feel it moving back and moving around, so I like to put some bobby pins to keep it in place. So what I like to do is I like to separate and then secure some pins. With the cornrow. Then I take some shea butter, because you're leaving out your hair, so you want that to be protected, because you know the weather these days is not that good. It's dry, but you want your hair to stay nice and moisturized. So I get some shea butter, rub it in your hands and run it through the hair that you've left on top. You can run it a bit through the actual hair if you like, to the actual wig. There is a little bit of shedding, but nothing like out of the ordinary. Get your afro comb and you just lift, lift, lift. Just comb it from the root. I like big hair and I cannot lie. I've got my go-to edge control. Dip, 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 dip. And here we go. What wig? What wig? I am obsessed with this. Okay, so one more tip I would give is, like, when you're going to sleep, you separate your hair and then you grab a bit of the wig, like say like this much, and then you part your hair in sections, like your actual hair in sections, and you twist them together, so like so. And it doesn't matter if you have to borrow, because it makes it blend more. So you twist that together. So you do that and you just let it sit overnight. so by the time you wake up, it's all gonna be in the same like texture. So this is what I would do when I'm like going to bed, or I've got a few hours before I have to leave the house, just to set it. And then I cut it, because I've been wearing it before this video. I've already cut it into the shape that I like. I'm gonna do another video where I try it as a middle part, but I'm a side part girl. What are you guys? Are you a side? Are you a middle? Are you a deep? Look how seamlessly that blends.